영화는 모글스키 국가대표 선발전에 나선 몰리 블룸의 목소리로 시작됩니다.
I'm Molly Bloom, BA in Political Science from the University of Colorado.
대학을 수석 졸업하고 하버드 로스쿨의 입학시험 점수까지 훌쩍 넘긴 엘리트.
I had what's called rapid onset scoliosis.
거기다 12살에 척추 측만증으로 큰 수술을 받았음에도 피나는 노력으로 극복하여 국가대표의 꿈을 눈앞에 두고 있습니다.
Degrees, which is the same as the sides of the Great Pyramids. It's gonna be like trying to stick a landing on a frozen infinity pool. I can make the Olympic team right now.
Go get it.
Then law school, and then a startup. I hit a pine bough that had become frozen in the snow. I didn't have time to calculate the odds of that happening.
그렇게 불운한 사고로 그녀의 꿈은 모두 물거품이 되고 맙니다. 시간은 그로부터 12년 후. 그녀는 불법 도박장 운영 혐의로 긴급 체포당합니다.
You're under arrest for running an illegal gambling operation.
On birthdays, my father would interview my younger brothers and me. I don't have any heroes. Appeared to be irrationally angry at nothing in particular. I decided to take a year off before law school.
시간은 다시 돌아가 은퇴 직후 LA 친구 집에 도착한 몰리.
I wanted to be young for a while in warm weather.
하지만 입학을 미룬 일로 아버지가 지원을 끊으면서 생활비를 벌기 위해 클럽에서 일을 시작합니다.
You guys look like you deserve Grey Goose. They just spend an additional $300. So these girls over here, they let you buy them shots for a living. I found a second job as an office assistant.
People seem to take to you. I'm a regular here and you're a waitress here.
이때 딘이라는 남자의 비서 혹은 잔심부름 일을 시작하는데요.
Do you mean now? Honestly, making an effort.
Are these from Bluebell?
Yeah, it's on the way from my house.
Seriously?
These are poor people bagels.
My weekly poker game is moving to the Cobra Lounge.
별 볼 일 없고 성격도 괴팍하지만 인맥만큼은 절대 무시할 수 없는 딘. 그는 소위 셀럽들을 상대로 포커 모임을 운영하고 있었는데 거기엔 재벌부터 운동선수, 연예인 등 어마어마한 부유층 인사들이 있었습니다.
The players started to arrive. $10,000 in cash.
Ugly dress, ugly shoes.
And the players chose for seats. 11. I was in a room with movie stars and business titans. I Googled every word I heard that I didn't know.
You keeping track of the buy-ins?
Yeah.
그렇게 게임이 진행될수록 판도는 걷잡을 수 없이 올라갔고 결국 몰리에게 주어지는 팁 또한 상상을 초월했습니다.
I just made $3,000.
다시 시간은 현재. 검찰 출신 변호사 찰리를 찾아온 몰리.
My father signed it. You're Molly Bloom, right?
My daughter Stella?
We met.
일단 보석으로 풀려났지만 모든 재산을 압류당했고 현재 구속 심리를 앞두고 있는 상황.
3 of them had already been taken. 5th was also taken, but he recommended I call you. Do you know about me?
Right, and I bought your book.
사실 그녀가 체포된 것은 러시아 마피아와의 연관과 함께 자신의 회고록 몰리스 게임에 나오는 범죄 내용들 때문이었는데요.
Sitting all the way over here. Can you hear me from there?
Yeah. Do you have $250,000?
I will find a way to pay you, Charlie.
하지만 책과 여기 나오는 인물들은 모두 가명으로 실제로 몰리는 끝까지 도박과 관련된 사람들의 신분을 밝히지 않았습니다.
I'm not telling you his real name. He's not involved in this.
This just isn't for me.
I didn't know who the Russians were.
You need a publicist.
No, I need a fucking lawyer.
I'm going to walk you through the arraignment this morning. Let's go.
I'm pretty tired.
And she's tired.
What's another word for tired?
Weak.
That's right.
I decided to postpone law school another year.
한편 몰리는 점점 이쪽 일에 빠져들고
And that was this man, Player X.
I'm all in. I swear on my mother's life I have you.
할리우드 스타 X와 가까워져 여기서 자신의 입지를 다지려 합니다.
Mother's life, man. I'm not messing with you.
Why would you be telling me?
Take your time.
Fold.
Fuck you.
A fish is a particular kind of player. But not too good. My job security was going to depend on bringing him his fish. They say they're interested in poker. You give them my number. These guys play? Third chair at table 8 can't lose. 1,000 for every player you send me.
수많은 고급 정보들이 모이는 이곳.
China's telecom companies want to partner with other providers. 10 million on her picture who was 8 and 14.
몰리는 말 그대로 주워 먹기만 하면 되고 그렇게 모은 돈으로 자신도 호화로운 생활을 즐깁니다.
Oh, you plead. You're gonna answer not guilty. You've got a good judge. He's a good guy. Search me. Next time you appear in front of the judge, you might want to rethink your clothes.
I sold my clothes when the government seized all of my money 2 years ago.
사실 엄청난 액수의 미수금이 남아 있음에도 그 고객들을 생각해 차용증을 팔지 못하는 몰리.
Molly Bloom.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charles Jaffe. Are you with us this morning?
결국 찰리는 그런 몰리를 보고 마음을 돌립니다.
Didn't anyone try to buy you that?
I couldn't be sure how they were going to collect.
Counsel, I am Molly Bloom's attorney. Not guilty.
My brother Jeremy was number 1 in the world.
스키도 공부도 모두 수준급이었지만 더 뛰어난 동생들을 넘어서지는 못했던 몰리. 그녀는 잘 기억나지 않지만 언젠가부터 아버지에게 싸움을 걸기 시작했다고 합니다.
She doesn't like dicks, Dad. There's a difference.
Molly.
Don't ever use language like that again.
What else do I need to do before I'm allowed to disagree with you?
3년이란 시간 동안 고객 관리부터 장부 정리 등 이쪽 일의 모든 것을 전담한 몰리.
Tough beat, man.
I want to talk to you a minute.
Okay.
In the hall.
그리고 그런 그녀에게 불만이 많은 딘.
I'm going to stop paying you. You get paid once a week from the game. It doesn't seem fair.
Because I'm making too much money doing my second job?
You're making thousands in tips every week. You can refuse the pay cut, but you lose the game.
이대로 해고당하기 전에 선수를 치려는 몰리는 지금보다 훨씬 고급스러운 자신의 하우스를 오픈합니다.
Cohibas and Monte Cristo were in the humidor. I had in preparation for the phone call I knew was coming. Hello?
I want you to listen to me.
Dean.
You are unimportant. You're fired.
Can I ask why?
Go to the office and get your stuff and be out of there before I show up.
Dean asked me to pack your personals. Really sorry.
Don't be.
이때 딘의 고객들을 전부 자신의 하우스로 초대하는 몰리. 포커꾼들은 훨씬 좋은 환경에 특히 X까지 있으니 굳이 마다하지 않습니다.
I'll be hosting a game in this suite every Tuesday night.
Let's play.
This was back when I was still making good decisions.
거기다 그녀는 수수료를 받지 않고 오로지 팁만 받으며 마약이나 매춘까지 금지해 완전히 합법적으로 운영합니다.
You couldn't buy me. You couldn't buy the girls. I see you for a second. Can't send emails like that.
Well, it's not a federal production. Oh my, that just makes me more into you. Was mine the first love letter you've gotten from a player?
It was the 7th.
I love the way that you talk to me.
Oh God. Yeah?
Raise the stakes.
그런데 이때 판돈을 올릴 것을 제안하는 X.
We'll have no one left to play with.
Find new players.
He meant find new fish.
아무래도 판돈이 커지면 이탈 고객이 생길 테지만 사실상 얼굴마담인 X의 제안을 거절할 수가 없습니다.
You might as well see it through to the end. And every week, he came to the game. And the guys were feasting on him. Brad, this game might not be for you.
I know I'm no card shark.
Here are your losses after 10 weeks.
I like playing with the guys. I don't have that many friends.
Or even a pro to give you lessons. Turned out Bad Brad knew what he was doing. Pick up $4 million for his hedge fund. Player X said he met Harlan at the Commerce Casino. It wasn't clear where his money came from. Why would Player X want someone at the game who could beat him?
You know, I am gonna figure you out. Peter Jasinski, Peter Antonovich, Ragnayana Gershon Organization. Here we have the Alexander Habib Organization. This is the Russian Mafia. A poker game. They've got you confirming that you ran rigged games at the Plaza Hotel. Makes it illegal to run an illegal gambling business. I don't like this picture.
Thank you. The publisher wanted and I didn't get a vote.
I like the book. I need your hard drives.
당연히 고객의 정보를 모두 가지고 있는 몰리.
Run forensic imaging on your hard drive.
No hard drives.
If you destroy evidence and obstruct justice on top of the charges.
You don't understand what's in those text messages. End careers and obliterate families.
하지만 그들과 그들의 가족까지 피해가 갈 수 있기 때문에 절대 넘길 수 없다는 몰리. 이건 그녀의 마지막 자존심이자 굳은 신념입니다.
Would make what happened last time.
Anything of yours gets leaked, you can sell my phone to the highest bidder. I know you're not gonna look at it.
I'll be back the next day with the hard drives.
The whole courtyard of the Buffalo Club.
Genuinely excited about the party he was giving his wife. But nobody else liked him except Player X, and always got his money in good. But everything came off the rails with one hand. Was about to get bluffed off the wind by, of all people, because Harlan had never played with Brad before. Brad's got nothing. It's gonna call it not raise. It means he didn't have the boat. Brad pushes $72,000 into the pot.
I'm all in.
Harlan knows about carotid artery pumping. Harlan didn't know that Brad didn't know what any of that meant.
I'm laying this down.
And one of them flips over and Harlan sees.
You had 2 pair?
I had 1 pair.
It wasn't even that it was that much money. Harlan was out for blood now. Everyone's.
Give me another 100, please.
By 5 a.m., Harlan was down $500,000. Hey, bud?
Molly, please.
그렇게 소위 호구에게 패배한 뒤로 이성의 끈이 끊어져 버린 남자.
Come talk to me. You're on tilt. Everybody knows it.
I just gotta get back to even.
And he never got to his wife's birthday party.
결국 도박꾼들의 단골 멘트를 날린 그의 최후는 역시 예상과 다르지 않습니다.
Motherfucker! You're bottom dealing party magician!
Hey! And you're gonna go home. I'm making a floor call, that's it.
I don't have it. I'm sorry.
Go home. You gotta tell Sheila the truth, okay? To help you, I'm gonna get you to a meeting.
I loaned it to him.
Loaned it.
그런데 알고 보니 X와 관련이 있는 자였고 그로 인해 의견 충돌이 일어나는데요.
You think I'm gonna take a dive? And if I did, who would care?
Saying it can't fucking happen again.
You disapprove of me when you stay late for a drink with JT, but never... These guys want to play cards with me, not you.
Be that as it.
Dealers and the servers, you're taking a lot of money out of this game.
결국 X가 멤버들을 데리고 떠나면서 정말 하루아침에 하우스를 잃게 됩니다.
Talk about games lasting all night.
There were drugs. I'm 2 years clean.
She left the drugs out of the book. What's an advance on a book like this?
It depends. What kind of elements?
You have to use real names.
어쨌든 돈이 필요했던 몰리는 일부의 실명을 공개했지만 그건 사실 모두 이미 알려진 인물들이었습니다.
Who were already named in the Brad Marion deposition.
Publishers get from you about people with real names.
Oh, first thing I'm gonna do is get you a minor role reduction.
No, not a chance I'm letting you make that argument.
Why not?
It's not true.
You really think this is a good time to hard
I
credit?
built it from scratch. I wasn't fireable. I made sure of that. So no. Built a successful...
Hey, do you want kids? The sentencing recommendation guidelines say 8 to 12 years. That's it. You were a cocktail waitress.
The game had given me an identity. And in one irrational heartbeat, it was taken away and forgotten overnight.
그렇게 절망감과 허탈감에 시달리다 다시 마음을 다잡고 새 출발을 다짐하는 몰리.
Hackling call from Player X.
You are so fucked.
Makes you feel okay about losing? Winning. Wall Street, Madison Avenue. This time, I used Playboy Playmates.
이번에는 뉴욕에 하우스를 오픈하고 다양한 인맥을 가진 여성들을 섭외하는데요.
One thing Hollywood doesn't. The Yankees.
50K buy-in, blinds are 5-1.
Yeah. No. 250.
But I can talk to Molly. I could introduce you, but I wouldn't get my hopes up.
Tell you, the initial buy-in is 250,000.
그렇게 사업은 대성공하고 그야말로 지하 세계의 여왕이 된 몰리.
All in.
I was the biggest game runner in the world. In the beginning, I was using drugs to stay awake.
하지만 24시간이 부족할 만큼 바빠졌고 결국 그 핑계로 약에도 손을 대고 마는데요.
I'd been working with a new dealer named B.
You've got hundreds of thousands on the street.
더 큰 문제는 규모가 커진 만큼 엄청나게 불어난 미수금이 도저히 감당이 되지 않는다는 것입니다.
Your stack's bigger.
I can explain.
There we are. You don't think I've got eyes on the table?
I owe people money.
I know. Don't realize trust fund kids are suffering in this economy too. So when Tuesday night came, B was at it again.
You're gonna get blown up. You're guaranteeing the game. Most runners cap it at 5%.
There was a pot that was up to 1.3 million pre-flop.
Raise 100,000.
2.6 million. She was right. If I couldn't pay one time, that'd be the end of the game.
결국 이때부터 수수료를 받기 시작하면서 더 이상 그녀의 하우스는 합법이 아니게 됩니다.
Story of, you know.
He talked about his marriage. He talked about wanting a better life.
Victim of circumstance.
And he'd talk about another game he played in. The game that was populated by Russians. Winston, can I have the room, please? Sure.
바로 이때 이 남자가 돈을 갚지 못하자 몰리는 그에게 한 가지 제안을 하는데요.
Can you bring me some players?
And they may not want to play in your game.
Can you bring me some Brighton Beach players? The next week, I had some new players.
그렇게 새로 받은 멤버가 바로 러시아 마피아들.
Except this is temporary collateral.
You came over here carrying a Monet.
겉으로 사업체를 운영하는 그들이 그야말로 돈을 쏟아 부어주니 몰리는 전혀 눈치채지 못합니다.
And settled right away.
I wish I had better news.
He didn't buy that I was a cocktail waitress.
The government is expressing an interest in you being a cooperating witness.
고객들의 정보를 대가로 감형을 제안한 검찰.
Took all of my money in a civil forfeiture, which they can do without a warrant. Totally necessary, not at all meant to intimidate me.
Designed to persuade you to plead guilty, you are correct.
하지만 협조할 생각은 전혀 없습니다.
Interested in entering a cooperation agreement with the prosecutors.
I have dirt. I've dish. I've gossip.
Or better yet, complete immunity. What?
What does he have you doing now?
An essay.
Anytime you want to run away from home, you can come live with me.
Why don't you grab a snack, start your homework in one of the conference rooms? You think I'm too hard on her?
Whatever you're doing with Stella, double it.
Your parents still together?
No,
Was he tough on you?
I was tough on him. Start fights with him.
Why?
I raised the kids. You do is cheat on me and lie to me and lie to the kids.
I don't know. Remember Bad Brad Marion? It was a Ponzi scheme. It gave them hours of testimony on a range of subjects that was run by a girl named Molly Bloom. I was sent a subpoena and flew out to LA to be deposed.
이때 LA 쪽 일은 폰지 사기 피해 금액을 메꿔주며 넘어갔지만 비슷한 시기에 뉴욕에서도 수사망에 오른 몰리.
I was running 6 games a week, Adderall, Ambien, Xanax, Coke, and knocked me out for a few hours. But I wasn't just taking them to stay awake anymore. Like I was in a hole so deep, I could go fracking. I was tired of living in the frat house I'd built for degenerates. I was sick of being high all the time. I couldn't stand.
이제 그녀는 몸도 마음도 지칠 대로 지쳐버렸습니다.
I'm gonna call you
I'm in love with you.
Listen to me, Douglas. I'm the woman all of you have always dreamed of. Do you know who Circe was? He gave men feasts with wine and honey and then turned them into swine. I'll see you next week. Pat was my driver in security. We were friends. I used to be a competitive athlete.
Were you good?
Pat asked me a favor.
한편 운전기사의 부탁으로 새 멤버를 받으려는 몰리.
Molly Bloom, nice to meet you.
John G.
그런데 굉장히 황당한 제안을 받습니다.
We want to partner with you. We can make your life easier. Nobody else stuff here.
I don't carry a big debt sheet. I feel safe.
We do our research. If you don't have it, you got to go into your pocket to pay the wins.
They'll put your drinks on my card.
몰리는 단칼에 제안을 거절하지만 그건 보복으로 이어집니다.
Hold on a second. I have...
Put the money and jewelry in a bag.
사실 그들은 마피아였고 운전기사가 몰리를 팔아넘긴 것.
It wasn't an offer they made. It wasn't a suggestion.
무자비한 폭행과 함께 금품까지 갈취당했지만 그녀는 경찰에 알려질까 제대로 된 치료도 받지 않습니다.
I couldn't call a doctor or go to an ER. I couldn't feel my face. Pat had set up the meeting, and he was how they knew where I lived. Where was the call from John G? After 10 days, I opened my front door for the first time.
그런데 그렇게까지 협박을 했음에도 연락이 없는 마피아. 몰리는 그들에게 문제가 생겼음을 알게 됩니다.
Sometimes God happens fast. I put together a week of games, and then I was out. I was done. Jesse and Shelby had already started the game at the plaza.
하지만 이때 도착한 문자 한 통.
5 blocks away, the FBI had raided my game.
그 길로 몰리는 엄마에게 향했고 이미 통장의 잔고는 하나도 남아있지 않았습니다.
There's a note telling me to contact the Justice Department.
They never exchanged sex for money?
No.
Purpose of this
We're
meeting.
off the record.
Discover, as I have, that she is not the person the press has invented.
Never traded sex for money.
You let 4 guys play in the game without knowing they were connected?
Yeah, they don't immediately present themselves as mobsters.
어떻게든 마피아와 엮으려고 하는 검찰. 하지만 당연히 아무것도 나오지 않습니다.
You should thank all of the gods that there is no physical evidence.
Hey.
She does not belong in a mob indictment. And she didn't want to use muscle to collect. Rock stars, athletes, billionaires, all explicit. J. Edgar Hoover didn't have this much shit on Bobby. Freedom by providing color, and she still won't do it. She knows nothing about the 3-piece. There's no one who doesn't want to see mobsters go to jail, probation, community service, drop the goddamn charges.
Hey, slow down! Hey, slow down!
Bend your knees.
Dad?
갑자기 무슨 일인지 몰리를 찾아온 아버지.
I'm here in New York because that's where you are.
심리치료사인 그는 딸이 걱정돼 찾아왔다고 하지만 사실 몰리는 별로 달갑지 않습니다.
Here in my capacity as your father.
You think what I need right now is a therapist? When I called you dad, I just needed my dad.
All right, we're going to do 3 years of therapy in 3 minutes. Why does she run poker games?
I don't know. Do you think you were a good husband? Why didn't you like me as much as my brothers?
It only from time to time appears that I didn't.
What? Oh, okay, I had an attitude problem.
알고 보니 그가 딸에게만 엄했던 건
I knew you knew that I was cheating on Mom.
불륜을 들켰다는 수치심 때문이었고
You knew, honey. And you reacted by showing.
몰리가 반항적이었던 이유는 무의식 중에 불륜을 알고 있었기 때문이었습니다.
I'm your father. Hiring someone to find the guy who did it, then I'm hiring someone to kill him. Put their hands on you, they're going to suffer.
All right.
No, they're going to suffer.
I want to thank you for what you said tonight.
Stella, who asked me to be your lawyer? You're her role model. There's a new offer on the table.
한편 검사는 고객들의 정보를 대가로 압류된 재산과 함께 완전한 사면을 제안했지만 끝까지 자신의 신념을 지키는 몰리.
Families, wives lied their father's text messages saying he wished he'd never had kids.
그건 누군가가 자신처럼 가족의 추한 모습을 마주하지 않기를 바라기 때문이었습니다.
Pay your debts, you start a new life.
I was named after my great-grandmother.
And nobody gives a shit about your good name.
I do, because it's all I have left. I plead guilty.
And you're very sure?
The business of the court began. Molly Dubin Bloom.
그렇게 재판이 시작되고 몰리는 자신의 혐의를 인정하는데요.
At that trial,
Yes, sir.
if you plead guilty,
Yes, I understand. Guilty, Your Honor.
하지만 판사는 놀랍게도 보호관찰과 벌금형 정도의 굉장히 관대한 판결을 내립니다.
And that was that.
그렇게 35살까지의 인생을 정리하고 앞으로 남은 삶을 고민하는 몰리의 목소리로 영화는 끝이 납니다.
What do I do now? I'm 35 years old, unemployed. I don't know what I'd say in a job interview. Dad, I'm fine. So, I guess I'm pot committed.